So out of the 3 circles on the head, you drill the hole with a knife. If you need the water, you can drill the hole with a knife. You can see the hole here. You see a knife, a small knife to drill the hole into inside. It's only one end that can be drilled, the other one cannot be drilled. So you drill it. After drilling the hole, you can drain it into a cup by putting it into a cup like this and allow it to drain. So you will easily get the water like that. But if you don't need the water, just break it and throw the water away. Alright. Just break it and throw the water away. Another one, drill the hole with a small knife. Then you allow the water to drain out. So we rinse it thoroughly with water. And after that, we break it into pieces for blending. Is added. Pepper grinding machine can actually be used to achieve this. See it now, the water has gone down. You don't need to cover it, just place it on the fire. It's very high heat. Keep on watching because it will be foaming up, rising up from the pot. Don't allow it to come out of the pot. Be stirring it so that after some time you reduce the heat to low heat or medium heat until it is well cooked and the oil comes out. It's now rising up gradually because of the heat, rising up, foaming up, but you must not allow it to rise above the heat. Continue to stir it so that it does not overflow out of the pot. After some time, it stops rising up. Then it should be going down gradually by itself. All the big bubbles will be going down. That means it is already being done gradually. It is already being done gradually. As it begins to go down, you can gradually increase the heat once again to hasten up the oil making process. So you can see that it's not rising up any longer, but it's going down gradually in the pot. So you can increase the heat once again. It continues until all water is burned out of the content of the pot. Then it begins to form some flakes and the oil will be coming out gradually. Right now it is still cooking, still on the fire with high heat. This cover is necessary because of the splatter, splattering up. You can see it. So right now we can see that the water is almost out of the content and the splattering has greatly reduced. Coconut oil is gradually coming out of the slurry of coconut that was ground well. Finely grounded slurry of coconut. The oil is coming out right now. So next is to pour the boiled coconut, the hot coconut under the fire. Hot coconut that was cooked, we poured into a container using this sieve. There's a sieve here that is tied to this container, a metallic container like a cooking pot. So we pour it down. When you pour it on the sieve, then gradually the oil will drain out of the hot content of the pot into the pot here. So that's what we're going to do now. Now the coconut oil has sieved into the container, has drained into container. So we have it now. So this one is not yet ready. We are still going to burn it a little. We're going to cook it a little more by adding medium fire, so that elements of water moisture inside it will dry off to give us only the coconut oil. So let's start that. I'm going to continue cooking it a little bit more now. So we have to cover that because it's going to be frying now. It's going to be frying since it is oil and elements of water inside. It's going to be frying, so we cover it like this now. It is now set up on fire once again. The water inside will boil away and the oil will begin to fry until there is no element of water, and then there is no particle or sediment of the coconut inside. Everything will separate after cooking it well now. Start oiling once again until all the water is out. See that water is out gradually and it's now frying as oil. Only oil frying up. You can see that the water is drying up gradually under medium heat. Frying up, no water again. Water is out gradually, it's frying, and the coconut oil is ready. Fried coconut cake, very fried coconut cake. Can you see that? Can you see that? Wow, very fried coconut cake. You can see inside the pot. All right, carry this thing. You can now see the oil, clean coconut oil, original, very fine, high quality, homemade, do it yourself. All right, so we are finished. You can see the original coconut oil. We are going to pour it now into the bottle. Correct oil, natural oil. Do it yourself at home. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Until another time, bye.